Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the song Medicina by Anitta. So let's start. Okay, let's start. So the first step goes like this. You're gonna turn 1, 2, 3, and a close. Go to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Your hand, you can use 2 hands or 1 hand. Okay? 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next step from here. 7, 8. You're gonna step your right way. 1, keep on 2, away. 3, cross. 4. Then you're gonna freeze. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, for this, you can do anything you like. You can do like 2, 3, and 8. Let's try. So 7 and 8, wave. 1, 2, 3, cross. 4 and freeze. 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Okay? From here, you're gonna open it and head, lay down, up. 1, 2, and close. Go like this. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7. Step to right and 8. One more time. 7 and then 1, 2, 3. Stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, from here, you're gonna go down, hand in front. Open your legs and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close. 5, going up. 6, 7, 8. One more time. So from here, you're gonna go down on 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Okay, from here, you're gonna go close first. So this is 7, 8, and 1 and 2, push 3, 4. So this one you're gonna go turn it 3 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, and 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next, from here, you're gonna go back and wave your arm like this, like an ocean. 7, and 1, 2. Okay? Then jump on 3 and 4. Close on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try. 6, 7, and 8. Then 1, 2, jump. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, let's combine everything from first 8 to the last 8. Alright? Let's start. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 3. Cha, 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 and 1, 2, 3, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8, down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. And if you are having hard time to copy the choreography, you can just pause or rewind the video, okay? And also, if you want to see another dance video, dance tutorial, you can click on my channel, go to the playlist and click the dance tutorial. You will see a bunch of choreography that I made in the past few days, a few weeks, okay? So see you next time and bye-bye.